So I just got home to take out my dogs. This one, that one, this one, some other one, wherever she is. And I come home to see this. Can y'all guess what it is? You can probably tell from this right there. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. They chewed up my Black Ops 3. My dogs, freaking this one right here, most likely that one and that one, right there, did this. And I legitly just about 5 days ago bought Der Eisendrache with my own money. This part right here, this split was me, but it was already unplayable because of all of this stuff right here. It can't get in there. This. And this part was me, and I got so mad I slammed it down. But yeah, thought I'd share this with y'all. You know how mad I am. Get some of the anger out. Yeah, I'm not very happy. Not at all. Freaking ticked off. Alright, I better go before I break something. Like my phone. Later.